Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about how you can sell your cryptocurrency using Moonpay. I do have a long video, but here we'll be talking about how you can sell crypto. Okay, so if you have this particular account already, you can either sell it to your Visa card that's already linked for this account, you can see here, but I will show you how to link as well. And also you can connect your wallet. My wallet is already connected, so currently I'm showing you how you can link. So currently, as Visa card is already linked, it says as 2 days it will take to deposit the balance. So I am connecting my bank account. First I will be clicking on bank account. I will be entering the details here. Now I have to select which bank, and then I have to do the all like usual stuff. So I have to do the verification and I have to connect it with this Moonpay. I have to select this is checking or not, and then I have to proceed next and connect. So once it's connected, you can see just after that it will ask for the verification. This will happen every time whenever you try to link, okay, like maybe your bank, maybe your card, it will ask you for the verification. So I'll be clicking continue. I agree to the terms and conditions, and now here is the QR code. I have to scan it using my phone. So I'll be scanning this QR code and it will be redirecting me to a website. Okay, now you can see here it's redirected to the website. It asking me for my documents, ID card and all other stuffs. So you can see here I am choosing my driving license and I have to scan it. I have to give the access to my camera. Okay, now once it's done, they are asking for the QR code and all. I will be doing the same thing. You also have to follow the same things what I am showing you here. This is a selfie scan, so you have to nod your head and all, however they will be informing you. And now verification is in progress. Normally it takes like 1 to 5 minutes maximum, so let's wait. So you can see here verification is completed, and now our bank account is also linked here, you can see there, and that is the amount of how much I will get is also showing there. Now if I click on sell, I can sell it directly, and now you can see it's processing. As I told you, I have connected my MetaMask, so here is the details is showing here, and once it's completed it will show as completed order. So that's basically how you can sell your cryptocurrency using Moonpay. There I have made a longer video about all that details about Moonpay, so for that you need to click on the video that might be popping up right now here, so you can see that video as well.